So yeah, hi everyone, myself Karun, and I have been contributing in RC and Distributed Access since December. This is mainly under Dr. Bruno and some other mentors in the private conversation, and some other mentor might know me, but honestly, my work define me. I am a individual for my future. So the question is, in the form, you may show yourself and you may show some slides and you may speak yourself or you may use voiceover, you may show demo. Okay. So I'm just giving out my introduction. So basically my dream is like do something in open source. So I generally like open source, but not the AI slow version. In fact, my whole project is in that portion. So the contributor is now doing open PR in every repo and copy paste from AI agents and do all done. So that's not the fair. So my approach is not a like successful approach, but I follow that approach. I try to follow that approach. The first one is try to face that problem, and then I read the documentation and blog and real site existing about around that. And if needed, I follow the tutorials or invite someone. So then I explore if I found a solution around any GitHub repos using similar ideas. So I will generally use this instead of creating it from scratch. And only after that I use the AI as a helper, not as a planner. And mm, maybe just to give the whatever I want to give. So this is even I've told you this is my project. So in which I am introducing the skills system to our organization where I guide contributor directly inside their editor, what to type, how to open a PR, whom to tag, all aligned with the AI policy that we follow. And on the top of that, I am building a fully Discord assistant that answer repo specific questions through using these skills without relying on external infrastructure like deploying anything, and that is fully locally. And mm, that is not the part of AI slope because if they have any gap between the whatever is asking in the question and mm, seem to answer, that is not just they just say it is not in skills and fallback, and that gap is going to skill updater, and I will you will like you can see in my proposal all of the description I have showed. Basically, it is very difficult to explain. There is a skills the core, then there is a skills bot assistant, then there is skills updater, and many things. The PR dashboard and many things we can create from that. And sorry for inconvenience and someone disturbed me. So yeah, continues. I have proposed skill system. Then I have work on Sisal share button also from December, I guess, from Unstoppable Hackathon. And then I second propose in my proposal. The second idea I have proposed is scopes. So I'm reading the definition. So it is just a secureable, programmable implement in CI/CD pipeline using an X402 based system, making contributor toward more standardized and frictionless. Okay. So I have give the details about that in separate video. So you can check out. I think I have attached an MD file. So I wish to talk about my program timeline. So I started in December in Unacceptable Hackathon, and at the time I have suggested like in that hackathon idea they have suggested the social share button. Then I eventually started the project called social share button that is also running in RC, and then I moved to the GitHub to start bot. At that point I have realized that this project requires very much time from admin, and at that time admin is not able to give that much time to my project, and many of my messages is ignored. So I paused and shifted to the small task. Going forward, I have planned to visit it again in April, and I have also added a note about it in my proposal. I'm not contributing in that project. I'm just giving the suggestion to the contributor who is contributing in that project, and modify its proposal. And so then for after that, after the GitHub Discord bot, when I moved to researching about the security settings and security type side in for an organization, and Dr. Bruno is also noted about it. And I guess I'm not sure he have done that part, but yeah, he told me to have added in my backlog. And then I suggested him to make a open source action that is called auto initial switch, which is you can read about in details in the readme. almost 50% complete, 50 and 70% complete, I guess. It's last phase in development phase. So in that there is three modes. You can go and read. So its main purpose is according to your whatever you whatever you choose your page. So it will open initially switch according to your page. So that is almost completed in April. So I have not started in my proposal. Then after that, I have also designed skills for modifying, yeah, you can say reviewer and tester. There is two more in that, reviewer and tester for a GCOG proposal I have shared with Dr. Bruno. So overall, my focus is on consistency and solving a real world problem in functions. So yeah, that's my introduction. Thank you. I hope you like this.